Cooking with Dom is sponsored by the Certified Angus Beef brand, available at Meijer.
Today we're going to make a barbecue rub that you can use all summer. You can use it year-round, and it's a little weird because this one includes Old Bay, and you normally think of Old Bay on seafood, but I'm telling you, with this rub, you can use it on anything from pork to fish to veal to beef, you name it. So we've got a half cup of brown sugar. We're going to put that in. We've got a quarter cup of chili powder. We've got a quarter cup of cumin. We got a quarter cup of garlic powder. We've got a quarter cup of cinnamon, tablespoon of salt and pepper, and then finally a half cup of Old Bay. And then what we're going to do, this is the easiest way, and I like to make a batch and then put it in the Tupperware, and we're going to just shake it all up. Shake it, and keep shaking it and get it all incorporated. But Old Bay, I'm telling you, you can use it on every kind of meat there is. I really like it, and and you know what? I think next week what we'll make with it is I'm going to make a barbecue turkey breast for you using this. Let's take a look at it, see how it turned out, all incorporated, and look at that. That is some goodness. That is a rub that you will like, and I'm telling you, give it a try. The Old Bay, I wish you could smell that. Can you smell it at home? Boy, it smells good.
Cooking with Dom is sponsored by the Certified Angus Beef brand, available at Meijer.